I've got a serious situation here. My pilot has gone incoherent. I have no idea how to fly the airplane, but I'm maintaining in 9100.
Hadien bakempang o pilot kadurangnya airplane hasunya. Simti u passenger banyak airplane. Da ka ba ong ngamtip kumno banyak airplane. Ndrei ka ba phala ka long ba ne driver. Lan ne passenger banyak lah kanya airplane. Klem kono ka jiman sahabat lihat kendau da ka basuk. Bat kane kejingjia raja po Florida USA. Bat ha kane kejingjia wat la une passenger lo ong. Ngamnang banyak airplane ndrei. Don uweru. Naki passenger man kempang la ne man saw bat ka plane ru kala har kendau da ka basuk po station po Florida klem kono ka jing takhu ne man saw bat le se kane kali ke kam ka ba phla ya ne passenger bat kibriu clear ya ne passenger ka jing nang ni dan ne ka jing la ni banyak kane ka plane
333 Lima Delta, Roger, what's your position?
I have no idea. I can see the coast of Florida in front of me, and I have no idea.
What was the situation with the pilot?
He is incoherent. He is out.
3 Lima Delta, Roger, try to hold the wings level and see if you can start descending for me. Push forward on the controls and descend at a very slow rate.
A couple passengers land that plane. Man, they did a great job.
Did you say the passengers landed the airplane?
That's correct.
Oh my gosh, yeah, great job.
No flying experience. We got a controller that worked them down. That's the flight instructor.